Hey, welcome back. Today in the loops practice section, let's see how to print a Fibonacci series. But what exactly is a Fibonacci series? It's a series or sequence of numbers where each number is the sum of the previous two numbers. The series starts with numbers 0 and 1. The next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers, which is 0 plus 1, which is equals to 1. The fourth number in the series will be 1 plus 1, which is 2. The fifth number in the series will be 1 plus 2 equals to 3. The rest of the numbers are also calculated the same way. Let's say number n is given to you. For n equals to 5, we need to print the first 5 numbers in the series, which will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. If n is 3, we gotta print 0, 1, 1. Let's try to sketch out the logic to solve this problem step by step. First step, we know that the series starts with two numbers 0 and 1. We save these values somewhere because we have to add them up later on. Now let's print these numbers we have with us. After this point, to get the rest of the numbers in the series, we will have to pick two numbers, add them up, pick the next two numbers and add them up. These steps are performed repeatedly, so time to bring in a loop here. But how do we decide how many times this loop will run? We have already printed two numbers 0 and 1. We know that we have to print n numbers in total, which means the count of numbers remaining will be n minus 2. So our loop will run n minus 2 times. The first thing we do inside the loop is to add the two numbers we stored inside a and b. This addition needs to be stored inside some other variable, let's say c. Once we have calculated c, let's print it out. Our loop doesn't end here. The values of a and b were 0 and 1, but for the next iteration, our a and b should be updated to 1 and 1. Let's draw this out. So 0 was a and 1 was b. We did a plus b to get c, which is 1. This is what we have with us. Now in the next iteration, the second number should be our new a and the third number should be our new b. How do you think we can do this? Simple. Focus on what is happening here. If you look closely, the value of b gets assigned to a and the value of c gets assigned to b. In code, we write it like this. In every iteration, these two lines help us shift the values of a and b by one step. Thank you.